In this video, we'll take a look at how to move around your chart and search for specific people, all while keeping your table in sync. You can use the search box to find anyone in your chart. Search by any column in your table, for example by name, job title or department. If you'd like to see only your search results in your data table, toggle the Filter Table button. You can also move through the chart using the navigation buttons on each chart box. These make it easy to go up and down through different levels of your organization's hierarchy. As you navigate, you'll notice that the person currently selected in your chart is also highlighted in your data table. This connection works both ways. When the Navigate on Table Select option is active, selecting a person in your table will automatically move the chart view to that individual. To return to the person at the top of your chart, simply click the Home button in the chart toolbar. As you move through the chart, your data table can update to reflect the people or teams currently in view. To do this, toggle the Filter Table to Chart button in the chart toolbar. This is especially useful when you're editing employee data for a specific group of people. And that's how simple it is to navigate your org chart and employee data in OrgCharts for Excel, keeping everything connected, organized, and easy to explore.